I'll show you the best free software if you're just starting out as a new YouTuber. So I'm going to show you two products here. I assume that if you're a YouTuber, then of course you'll have to record your screen and then you'll have to edit the video afterwards, right? So for editing your screen, I recommend something called OBS Studio, right? This is free and it's open source as well. It's maintained by the community. So it's something that's very scalable here as well, right? And I'm actually using this to record my screen right now. You can see here, right? And this is a very good product, very easy, and it's very lightweight to use as well. Now, if for editing, I'm gonna recommend you two programs here, and it depends on what kind of machine you have, right? If you're using a phone, then I recommend something called CapCut. Now, it's something that's lightweight and it's very easy to use, especially on the phone as well. And I think a lot of people use it to make content as well. But if we're talking about laptops here and your laptop is on the lower end of your specs, you can try VSTC. VSTC is a very lightweight editor, and it's something that I used to use back then when my laptop wasn't that good. It's a very lightweight and it's not very heavy, and it has advanced feature of other normal editing. Like you can see, there's timeline editing here. There's a lot of properties here. You can see the color here. You can also color grade with this, I think, if I remember correctly. Yeah, you can see you can color grade with this as well. You can see right here, very, very, very good advanced feature for something that's so lightweight. But if your laptop is something more powerful, something on the higher end, then I recommend DaVinci Resolve. DaVinci Resolve is free, right? You might think it's paid, but that's only the studio version, and only some features are locked behind the studio version, so it doesn't even matter for me. I used to use the free version for a long time, and I never had any problems with it. But I do have right now DaVinci Resolve. I have the studio version because I bought it, because the more advanced feature is something that I needed when I got into the higher ceiling of editing on my work. But the free one is something that's very, very, very good for you if you're just starting out as a new YouTuber. DaVinci Resolve is a great editor. If you want to use this, of course, it's free. Most people, I think, use Premiere Pro, but of course, that's paid, and it's something on the Adobe spectrum, and some people don't like using Adobe products. So if you want an alternative that's free and that's good, then of course it'll be DaVinci Resolve. If you enjoyed this video, please do consider liking and subscribing.